AI transforms jobs. As we step into the future, artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a buzzword, but a dynamic force reshaping the landscape of work across the globe. From automating mundane tasks to pioneering new job roles, AI's influence is profound and pervasive, altering how industries operate and how jobs are performed. This transformation offers both exciting opportunities and significant challenges, prompting a need to adapt to an evolving workplace. Automation of routine tasks, streamlining operations. AI's most immediate impact on the job market is its ability to automate routine and repetitive tasks. In sectors like manufacturing, retail, and finance, AI-driven machines and software systems are now capable of handling tasks ranging from assembling products to managing inventory and processing transactions. This shift not only speeds up operations but also increases accuracy, reducing the likelihood of human error. For example, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can maintain a 24/7 production line with consistent output quality, which is particularly beneficial during high-demand periods. The automation of routine tasks also allows businesses to reallocate human resources to more complex and creative tasks. Employees are freed from monotonous work, enabling them to focus on areas that require human empathy, judgment, and strategic thinking. Enhancing job satisfaction. The second paragraph of this point emphasizes the positive aspects of routine task automation on employee job satisfaction and engagement. When AI takes over tedious and physically demanding tasks, workers can engage in more meaningful and satisfying roles. This can lead to greater job satisfaction, lower turnover rates, and potentially higher productivity. For instance, customer service representatives who once spent hours entering data can now focus on solving complex customer issues, leading to better customer experiences and enhanced job fulfillment. However, there's also a need for proactive management strategies to handle the transition effectively. Organizations must be vigilant in addressing the uncertainties faced by employees whose roles are changing due to AI integration. Creation of new job categories. Emerging roles in industries. AI doesn't just transform existing jobs, it also creates entirely new categories of employment. As AI systems become more prevalent, the demand for AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and robotics technicians has skyrocketed. These roles focus on developing, programming, managing, and maintaining AI systems. Beyond tech-specific jobs, there are increasing opportunities in sectors like healthcare, where AI is being used to improve patient care through more precise diagnostics and personalized treatment plans. Moreover, the integration of AI opens up new avenues for innovation in fields such as ethical AI, AI policy regulation, and human AI interaction design. Supporting transition and education. The development of new job roles also requires a transformation in education and training systems. Educational institutions from high schools to universities are now integrating AI and machine learning courses into their curricula to prepare students for the future job market. Online platforms offer specialized courses in AI application and management, making education more accessible to a broader audience. Businesses, too, play a critical role in facilitating this transition. Investing in continuous learning and development programs helps employees stay relevant in their fields as AI technologies evolve. Mentorship programs can also bridge the gap between seasoned professionals and newcomers in tech-driven roles, fostering a collaborative environment where knowledge about AI and its applications is openly shared. Enhancing productivity and innovation. Boosting output with AI. AI's ability to process and analyze large data sets with extraordinary speed and accuracy drives significant improvements in productivity and operational efficiency. In sectors like finance, AI algorithms can detect fraudulent transactions almost instantaneously, a task that would take humans considerably longer. Similarly, in the legal field, AI tools can quickly sift through thousands of documents to assist in pretrial research, significantly reducing the time lawyers spend on case preparation. This enhanced efficiency often translates into cost savings for businesses, which can then invest more in innovation and growth initiatives. Additionally, AI-driven insights can lead to the development of new products and services, opening up new markets and revenue streams. Cultivating a culture of continuous innovation. While AI can significantly boost productivity, the true potential lies in fostering a culture of continuous innovation within organizations. AI should not be seen merely as a tool for cost reduction, but as an enabler of new ways of thinking and problem-solving. Encouraging employees to experiment with AI applications can lead to unexpected innovations and improvements in products and services. To sustain innovation, companies must also ensure that their organizational structures support the rapid implementation of AI-driven ideas. This might involve setting up dedicated innovation labs or teams, investing in state-of-the-art AI research, and establishing partnerships with AI startups and academic institutions. Enhancing decision-making capabilities. Data-driven insights and management. AI significantly elevates the decision-making process by providing managers and leaders with data-driven insights. Tools powered by AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns, trends, and anomalies that would be impossible for human analysts to detect within the same timeframe. For instance, in the retail sector, AI systems can predict consumer buying patterns, helping stores optimize their stock levels and tailor marketing strategies to increase sales and customer satisfaction. Furthermore, AI's predictive capabilities are incredibly beneficial in industries like banking and finance, where they can forecast market trends and assist in making investment decisions. This not only improves the accuracy of decisions but also minimizes risks associated with human error and bias. Ethical considerations and bias mitigation. While AI enhances decision-making, it also introduces the need for vigilance regarding ethical considerations and potential biases. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, which can sometimes reflect existing prejudices. It is crucial for organizations to implement processes that continuously check and balance these systems to ensure they operate fairly and inclusively. Companies are now employing AI ethics officers and teams dedicated to overseeing AI deployments, ensuring they adhere to ethical standards and regulations. These roles involve not only technical skills, but a deep understanding of social, cultural, and corporate governance issues. Impact on workforce dynamics and remote work. Changing workforce structures. AI's impact on workforce dynamics is profound, as it leads to the restructuring of teams and departments. Traditional roles are evolving and new roles are created, demanding a more flexible and adaptive workforce. In this context, AI acts as a catalyst for job redesign, where tasks are no longer fixed, but evolve as technology advances. This dynamic environment requires workers to be lifelong learners, constantly updating their skills in line with emerging technologies. Moreover, AI facilitates a more distributed and geographically dispersed workforce. Facilitation of remote work. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work, and AI has been pivotal in smoothing this transition. AI-driven tools such as virtual assistants, project management software, and real-time collaboration platforms have become integral to maintaining the continuity of business operations remotely. These tools help simulate a physical office environment by enabling efficient communication and management of tasks, making remote work more viable and sustainable in the long term. Additionally, AI-powered analytics tools help managers monitor and assess the productivity of remote teams, ensuring that performance standards are met. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.